Prep Test 63, game number 3, question 14 asks us, if no L on Saturday, then each of the following could be true except. With all except questions, we want to categorize all 5 answer choices and then pick the odd man out. So to get started, let's bring up our rules and inferences and our limited options. And again, if you didn't watch the setup video for this game, I would recommend doing that so that you understand where these 2 limited options came from. Or just pause the video now and work them out on your own and then hit play when you're ready to begin. Okay, so we have our 2 limited options and we know that we cannot have L on Saturday. Therefore, this entire option up here is out of the running. We're not even looking at it. So we're dealing only with option number 2. So let's figure out how each of these answer choices works. A, L on Monday. Well, if L is on Monday, then we need to get the rest of our letters in, which are V, R, and H. And there's nothing stopping us from going like that. So we know that this answer choice could be true. R on Tuesday. Well, here R isn't on Tuesday, but let's just say that instead of picking L on Monday, we had picked V. We could pick R on Tuesday, could pick H on Wednesday, L, S, P. We're still fitting all of our rules. This is working out just fine. It could be true. H on Wednesday. Well, you just saw where we put H on Wednesday, so that obviously could be true. What about R on Wednesday? We already saw R on Wednesday, right there. Could be true. And lastly, S on Wednesday. As you can see, S is always on Friday. So this one must be false, making it the odd man out. That's our answer. These 4 can be eliminated.